Hello, my name is Brett from Cognitive Edge, and I'll be demonstrating how to register an Android device with a Cognitive Edge site server. Since Cognitive Edge supports two different device types, a cart device or a personal device, I'll be using two different tablets to show the two different registration processes. Let's start with the tablet on the left. To begin the registration process, find and tap on the Classroom app or tap on the Home button to start. The first step in the registration process is going to be to auto-discover your site server. If you're unable to discover your site server, please follow the instructions from Cognitive Edge to properly set up your site server or contact Cognitive Edge support. The second step will be to choose which device type this device will be, a personal device or a cart device. Choose personal device if this is your own tablet or your own phone and you would like access to the apps and other Android functions outside of class. Choose a cart device if this device should be locked down in between class and is going to be used by multiple users, multiple students, or multiple teachers. For this demo, we will select cart device. Serial number is optional, and a serial number is shown in the web admin console for the IT department to track this device. We'll use ABC for our serial number. We'll then be warned that we're setting up our device as a cart device. The reason we're being warned is because on cart devices, apps cannot be accessed outside of class when the device is not logged into by a teacher or a student. If you need to uninstall the Classroom app, you can do so by tapping on the menu button in the lower right-hand corner, the three vertical dots, and you'll be prompted for a password where you can enter, in this case, BYOD. We will then be directed to set up the Classroom app as the default home screen. This image is an example of what we will see and what we should do. Select. If you're using Ice Cream Sandwich, your dialog may look slightly different. You may have a checkbox that says always for default. So we'll select the Classroom app and always. We'll then be directed to turn the Classroom accessibility service on. Once again, this image is a guide, and we will start the process by tapping the Setup Classroom Service button. Find the Classroom Accessibility Service and tap on it. Turn the accessibility service on in the upper right-hand corner by tapping on the Off-On toggle button. We should automatically be taken back to the home screen. If not, tap on the Home button. Now we have set up the device in cart mode. The device cannot be used, no apps can be launched, and the device is in a lockdown mode until a user logs in as a student or a teacher. Once again, if you need to uninstall the Classroom app on a cart device, you can do so by tapping on the menu button in the lower right-hand corner and tap on Settings and enter the password BYOD to get to Settings. Let's move on to registering our tablet on the right as a personal device. Once again, we'll start the registration process by finding the app and tapping on it, or tapping on the Home button. When we tap on the Home button, we will see the system asking us if we want to use the Classroom app for our default home screen. We can select Classroom and Always to begin the registration process. Our site server is being auto-discovered. Once again, if your site server is not auto-discovered, please contact Cognitive Edge for support. And we will set this up as a personal device because this is our own tablet or our own phone where we'll want access to all the apps and features of the device outside of class. For our serial number this time, we will use 123 and tap on Finish. We'll then be prompted to enter our username and password for this device. This username and password should be provided by your IT department or Cognitive Edge if you are demoing our software. If your site server has been set up to work against Google Apps for Education, you may have been prompted to add a Google account to your device. Once we've confirmed our account settings, we can tap on the Register button. And we'll be directed to turn on the Classroom Accessibility Service again. Tap on the Setup Classroom Service button. Find the Classroom Accessibility Service and tap on it. Turn on the Accessibility Service in the upper right-hand corner. And tap on the Home button. Our setup's complete for the personal device setup. We can either launch the app or go to our home screen. Since the Classroom app in this instance has been set up for a student, when the student comes into class, they can join class by finding the Classroom app, tapping on the Classroom app, and they will be provided a list of running apps to join, or running classes to join. This is followed in our other tutorial on our YouTube channel for using the Classroom app. This concludes our tutorial for registering an Android device with a Cognitive Edge site server. If you have any other questions, please contact Cognitive Edge. Thank you and have a great day.